So in this Air Canada app tutorial, I will be showing you how to change your appearance to dark mode on the Air Canada app. So once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, select home, then go to the top left and select menu. Then where under settings where it says app settings, select that. Once this page is selected, where it says currency, below that at the bottom it says appearance, select that. Then right now you can see your theme, and if you want to go ahead and turn on dark like that, your app will now appear to be in dark mode. So once again, you can go to menu right here, and then you basically, yeah, your whole map or your whole app is in dark mode, which is pretty cool. You can go to menu, go to app settings. Once again, go to appearance. You can change it back to light or system, whatever works. Or you can make sure that dark mode is selected just like it is right here. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to change to dark mode here on the Air Canada app. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.